Yeah, I know, I got fucking sad, right?
It was beautiful.
Thank you. It's a habit I got into a little while ago, where I started doing this thing, where at shows, I would do the first half of it with all my hooting and hollering and kicking the keyboard and, the Randy Newman on crack thing. And and then about halfway through, I'd be like, hey guys, can I be myself now? And then I'd play my more soft, heartfelt singer-songwriter shit. And I'd just turn to the audience and be like, listen, I hate doing this. I hate doing this character that I fucking accidentally got into the habit of playing. I hate, kicking the keyboard. I hate screaming. I hate being gay Tom Waits. And I just, I can't. And I tell people, listen, sometimes I just want to, just be me. And, thanks, Mike. I say, can I, for a little bit, can I just be myself? And, usually they'd be like, yeah, sometimes they'd be like, no! Suffer for me, clown! And then after a while of doing that at every show, I realized that by doing that at every show, I was just making more not me's. And so now I say all this at every show. I'm trapped! Help me! Hold on a second, I'm getting feedback here, my bad. This is a song I wrote a little while ago when I was adjusting my medication. Most of my songs happen when I adjust my medication. I've got a very forward-thinking psychiatrist who, I go, hey, listen, I gotta write a bunch of music, Dr. Sastry, can you help me out? She's like, sure! Let's tone down the mood stabilizers. Awesome! Can I also take drugs? Sure thing! This is science! And this is medicine, man. I don't know exactly what else to say about this. This is a song, I don't really have a name for it yet, but I really like playing. Can y'all hear that okay? Gripping the grass and pulling out daisies. Thank matter for mass and the comfort of gravity. Airplane eclipses over spirals of math. Woulda, could the impact kill me? Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. It's just the high noon moon saying shoot for the stars. Be the next big constellation. Connect the dots between your parts. Dandelion seeds you threw out on the breeze. You make a wish upon the dead but turning all into weed. Only plastic flowers never die. With the bones of a crow and ambitions of candle wax. What do you know of control? The wind is simply at your back. It really seems pollen's more clever than bees. Will you cue the final words of Leary? Why? Why not? I'd rather be a hot air Hindenburg than an elephant tied down to its stake. Cut ties, shed the dead away. I ain't saying it's fate, but there are no mistakes. Dandelions grow in dirt. Magic mushrooms grow in piles of bullshit. I grew up in suburbia. Love us or hate us, because you're killing us. Skies are blue linoleum. Clouds of spilled milk out of my cup. Here comes the sun, am I falling off? Falling off. Here comes the sun, am I falling off? Bum, bum, bum.
bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. I'm clinging to trees. I'm clinging to telephone poles. I'm clinging to skylines, 'cause from so close, clouds don't look like heaven. Dandelion seeds hit you right on the breeze. You make a wish upon the dead, but turn and call it a weed. Only Dollar Tree azaleas bloom forever. Dandelion seeds hit you right on the breeze. You make a wish upon the dead, but turn and call it a weed. Only plastic flowers never die. Well, I cry, and skies are blue linoleum. Clouds have spilled milk, but am I the cup? Here comes the sun, am I falling up? Falling up. Here comes the sun, am I falling up? Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Stratospheric fear, catastrophes near, fast it's here. Atmosphere past your ears, fall but you'll never land. Second star to the right, straight on to your back.